Hi guys, welcome to Train4ssb. Today I, Swati Kumari, I would like to speak upon my hobby, that is painting. I have been doing this art for quite a nice period of my lifetime but have eventually stopped. Now this lockdown period gave me a nice time to pick upon my hobby again, and the art form which I ventured into is Madhubani art. Now you guys might be thinking, what is Madhubani art or Mithila painting? It is a style of Indian painting which is said to have originated in the Mithila region of Bihar. Coming to its history part, the painting is said to date back to centuries and in the past was mostly done by twigs, fingers, natural dyes and pigments extracted from flowers and fruits. The art founds place on mud walls or cemented walls during occasions of happiness like weddings and births, and also during the festive seasons of Holi, Diwali, Kali Puja, Dussehra and Upnayna. Now with time the painting has also evolved. The art now is practiced on a huge scale even outside the Madhubani region or the Bihar state. It is now increasingly done on papers, clothes, railway stations, or the authentic style of doing it on mud walls. It is also now done through brushes and synthetic paints, but the basic essence of the art form still remains intact, and for this we should thank those legends who have carried this beauty through generations. The art form has received the 31st Geographical Indication status. The art was given first formal recognition in year 1969. Since then, the legends who have mastered this art form have received Padma Shree and various other national awards across years. Now, I would be discussing few of the basic characteristics of Madhubani art through some of my works. I hope you guys will like this and rejoice the colors as much as I do while making these. So first, the painting mainly depicts normal village life and people, their culture, their celebrations and connections with nature and wildlife. Hence by making elephants, peacocks and supernatural beings, which is an amalgamation of animals and humans. These paintings also depict gods and goddesses figures of Radha Krishna and various other goddesses. The second feature, which is the striking enlarged eyes, always adds to the beauty of the paintings and makes them prominently visible. The third and the best feature according to me is that there is no space left empty, and hence it is filled with colors or something natural. As no space is left uncolored, hence figures of importance are usually outlined with white boundaries. Few other characteristics of this art form would include symmetrical figures, repetitive patterns, which add to the beauty of the art form. Not only these add up to the beauty, but also helps increase our patience and hence makes our mind calm. And this is why I really like this art form, and doing it gives me utmost peace. Now I would definitely suggest my lovely viewers to indulge in their hobbies, and if interested in this form of art, try Madhubani painting once. I hope you guys liked it, so kindly subscribe to the channel, share the video and like it, and do give your suggestions in the comments. Thank you so much.